Hi guys, it's Pinay Eats here. So today pupunta kami sa Villa Angelina sa May Dakak yun. So yeah, it's a 45-minute drive from here. And grabe, excited na ako kasi maganda talaga doon. So iinggitin ko kayo, hindi sa pagkain, sa view guys. Yeah, so kasama ko yung dumating yung ate ko from Chicago, kasama yung family niya. So I'm so excited to see my sister, my older sister, and then syempre yung anak ko, mami ko. So tas imimit namin yung relatives namin doon. So parang family reunion ulit. Ayun. So see you later guys. Sa vlog ko. That's my sister, my mom.
Hi vlog!
What's my channel name? Oh, di alam.
Ano, Pinay Eats.
Hi, salamat. Say hi, Luke. That's my nephew. My son and my nephew, Dylan. Ready to roll. Kuya Kikoy, say hi to my vlog. Ayaw oh. Ayaw ma-discover. Ayan. Say hi to my vlog, Vince. That's my brother-in-law.
I said camera, sis.
Yes. Nawag ako si Ate Ibing. Okay na. Magpati tayo sa infinity pool. Ayan. Ate, patid kami sa infinity pool. Nandun yung mga kasama namin.
Yung golf cart?
Kasya kami. 7 kami. Ilan yan? Ilan? Oh, 7. Ah, sige. Thank you. Say hi to my vlog. Bigay ko mamaya yung ano ka dyan. Kulit ka na. Namin sa... Diyan ka na sa ano? Hindi. Isa ka ba hindi mahirapan?
Yo, set up the back.
I'll sit at the front. Smile.
Uy, picture naman makanibig.
Dali.
Dali lang ha.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Wow. Hi guys. Hello. Those are your cousins, aunts, lolas. Wow. Hi, auntie.
Responsible on the stuff, right?
Hi.
Responsible on your stuff.
What time nagpunta dito? Hi, auntie. Aba, nagtampisaw na kayo, ah. Kaya pala hindi sumasagot. Hi. Ha?
Bihis na.
Saan yung changing room?
Change ka lang ako doon dito sa dito bathroom. I just changed right
Bathroom? Okay.
over here to the right.
Sige.
Magilis na kayo. Kinit na kayo.
Okay, let's go there. Ha?
Tayo muna. Baby picture mo muna kami cousins. Ate Sharon.
I see.
Ate Lourdes. Habang kita.
Ayan guys, nandito kami sa Villa Angelina with our relatives. Nandito kami sa Infinity Pool. So guys, ayan, nandito ako sa Villa Angelina. Nagsiswimming na sila. Our relatives. Ang ganda rito sa may dakak. Punta kayo rito. Ano, kuhaan kita? Ayan, binibideo na kita. Ayan, pumost ka na. Oh, picture. Miss Universe. Okay. Say hi! Malalim? Oh, picture kayo? Oh, nasa na yung welcome to? Go there, go there. Dylan, go with them. Ano, at teka, Villa Angelina or Dakak? Okay. Welcome to
Villa Angelina!
Those are my nephews and my son from PBB. Okay, 1, 2, 3. O, sasama daw mga tita nyo.
Hindi, nagpapapicture din sila.
Nagpapapicture ba? Oh. Okay naman.
Pictorial is finished for the, bagets.
Kayo naman. Dito kayo kasi may tao.
Look and Dylan, excuses. Ashton, you
Okay, yan. Ayan, auntie.
Ayaw na nila.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ba't tayo wala doon? Auntie, picture. Picture. Look here. Auntie, picture.
Dog, smile.
Ay, Sydney, go there. Go there. Habang nakaano pa ako, mami, hindi na ako magpipicture. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ako naman, syempre, selfie. Oh, sorry, Vince. Go there. No, Vince, go there, go there. Ayan. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Picture to, picture. Ate, halika na, sama ka dito. Picture. Para may souvenir. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, doon naman ako. Habang nakabihis pa ako, mamaya wala na to. Those are my cousins. Nasa si para? Wala? Ay, sandali. I'll take a picture of you guys. Malaya. 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 Picture. Ay, sorry, Tess. And Ate Mimi. Dot. Picture. Okay, look here, guys. Look here. Okay, 1.